ashamed to say I'm not okay, but I'm a fear.